Okay, let's talk about layers and footage and another element of organization. When you get into an After Effects project and you have multiple layers like we do in this one, sometimes it can get confusing as to what all these layers are and where they are in your composition, especially if you're going to be passing your composition on to another editor. So one of the things we can do is rename these layers to help us identify what they actually are. Now this column name here can be toggled by clicking on it from layer name to source name. And the source name is just going to tell you what the file is actually titled as it originally exists in your browser or in the file name itself. What you can do is toggle this column to layer name instead of source name. And if you click on a layer and press enter, you can now edit the name of that layer. And what we're going to do here is just rename the layers I have for these mountain layers. This would be the foremost layer, so let's say front mountains. Okay, and let's look at this other one. Number 2 is the back mountains. And 3 would be the middle ground. Let's say middle mountains. So instead of just having 1, 2, 3, we actually now have meaningful titles. And when you change these titles, it's not going to change the file name. It's simply a reference within After Effects. But it will be very helpful for anyone editing your project, and it will make things much easier to identify in your project. So start using this practice, and I'm sure it will help things run much smoother for you.